published a video on Friday, February 10th at around 6:30 a.m. The video was an update on the San Jose vandalism incident. I reported the DA Jeff Rosen decided not to prosecute the suspect despite having more than enough evidence. I left the phone number and case details in the description in case anyone wanted to voice their concerns. And you guys must have blown up their phones. Because by 10:15, I received this voicemail.
Hey Gabriel, it's Officer Ewan with the San Jose Police Department. I'm calling you in regards to the vandalism incident you were involved with last year. You can call me back. You can reach me at 408-537-1284.
To replay this message, press 1. To delete.
He called back 10 minutes later, and we talked. He told me that the DA wanted him to get more information on the case. He asked me questions like, why were you recording that place? And did you know the guy that broke your camera? Questions that I answered the day it happened.
Just curious what you're working on and what's filming for the
crane. I was checking out their cranes. That was the extent of it, everything.
Oh. Do you know them or what's going on?
No, I don't know them at all. I was just checking out their cranes. They have like cranes and stuff.
Oh, you don't know them at all? You're just recording?
Them at all.
Okay.
I'm just a random dude.
Okay.
I also wanted to thank everyone that took the time to let their voices be heard. It's a great example of what we can accomplish when we come together in numbers, using a language that even politicians know. Backlash. Hopefully the DA will do the right thing. I believe the statute of limitations date is close, but either way, I'll let everyone know the outcome soon. Thank you for watching. More to come.